Anyone want a lippy? Hi, I'm Melody from WTI. And what do the words hydrating, creamy, coconut oil, cocoa butter all have in common? Well, it describes this amazing CHAP-LIP butter lip balm that comes in 4 different flavors from KWI Kingwin. The cocoa butter, coconut oil, and vitamin E really ensures a great moisturizing that leaves your lips soft. The buttery, creamy texture helps hydrate the chapped lips. And with all the flavors it comes in, the watermelon, strawberry, tangerine, and mango, it's super hard to choose your favorite one. And due to the amazing ingredients, it's great for any age group, young or old. And someone I know even used the balm around the nostrils when they had a cold to help with the dryness around there. I also love the fact that it comes in bulk. So whether you have them laying around the house, because you're always going to want to be reaching for one, it's also great to give as gifts. So no matter what, your lips and your friends are going to thank you. And that's my point of view.